guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing an unboxing, and I got an item here from Tiffany and Company. So it came in with this beautiful Tiffany Blue shopping bag. It is really nice. So this is just like a small item from Tiffany, and it's so funny because I went to Tiffany before Christmas for some holiday shopping, and then we found out something to be gifted, something, and then I saw this particular piece and it just can't get out of my head because it is so cute. So they have this one in display, several of these, and I just really find this one really cute. So let's just open this. And okay, so they wrap it. I haven't really opened this item because I just saw this the other day, like really after Christmas, because I have purchased quite a bit and I totally forgot other stuff, especially this one because it came in with this really tiny bag, so I totally misplaced this. But anyway, here's the item. So it was wrapped nicely, and this, oh, I could just slide it in, like it out like that. So okay, so that's, yeah, that's, I think this is a note where you could write something if you want to gift it. Just we want to see. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's just like blank card. So here it is, very nice with a bow. So let me show you what I got. And okay, so the very nice box, and then oh, look at that, it has a dust bag. So this is just one of the inexpensive items from the Tiffany though, so I just thought I would like to get this. And yeah, look at the dust bag. The dust bag felt so good, looks really nice as well. Okay, so are you guys ready for the item that I got? So here it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh. It is a teddy bear. So this one is an ornament though. So this is a Return to Tiffany Love teddy bear ornament, and this one is in collaboration with the Tiffany and Company and Steiff. Probably you guys are familiar with the German toy maker, the Steiff, which is actually famous for the high quality teddy bears. So they have a collaboration with this, and it looks nice, it feels nice. Wow. So this one is made up of the Mohair cotton. Oh wow. And also the thing with that with the Steiff is just like the arms would move, and also the feet right here. They're actually really famous for making high quality teddy bears though. So anyway, so this one, the arms actually would swivel, would move. It's so cute. The feet as well, you could make it straight just like that. Wow, it is so good. Let me see the head. Oh, the head is actually, you can move the head as well. Oh wow. If you wanna, yeah, you can actually just lay it like that. And also, yeah, it actually moves. I'm surprised. Well, that's actually that's what the Steiff teddy bear are famous for. And this one is actually maybe this one is handmade right here. I'm not sure. It looks like it though. I just love the Tiffany Blue on the paws, and also right here. This one also, yeah, this one has a ribbon, a Tiffany Blue ribbon. Very nice. Yeah, this is more of like an ornament where you could actually put it in your Christmas tree though. But in my head, I was thinking of using this as a bag charm. I think I could do that. This is such a cutie. It's so cute and it's so tiny as well. Oh my gosh. Very, very cute. So let me just look at the back. So this bag, at the back here, it says 3 ornament, not a toy. So this is not a toy. This is not, yeah, also the branding is at the back. And also here, oh, it is handmade by Steiff. Wow. So you guys can see that at the back as well. Okay. Okay, made in Tunisia. Yeah, Steiff is like a German brand though, but this one is made in Tunisia. Really nice, really, really soft, and the material looks very, very shiny though. It looks very luxurious. The bear itself, yeah, it's very shiny and it's really, really soft. It has a really nice, the fabric, the shiny fabric that they use for this looks great. So here are the paperworks about its craftsmanship. And yeah, it's actually in different languages as well. Yeah. Wow, it is actually cute. So this is actually the quality control. That's really nice. Germany. Wow, they even have the stickers for the quality control. It's amazing. Oh yeah, so here it's 47% mohair and 53% cotton. 53, and this is surface washable. Oh wow. So the filling is made up of, the inside filling is polyester. Very nice. It's so cute. It is really cute. It's so cute. I saw this one at the store. It's like, what are those cute little stuff? I thought it was just their decorations though, but they're actually selling it. I'm surprised. It is really cute, guys. It's really cute. So I have some of my purses here. Let me just see how this would look with, if I were to use this as a bag charm. I'm just curious of how this would look. So let me just put this stuff away so you guys will be able to see. Okay, so I have my Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 here. So this is my Alma Bb, and this is my cash and carry from Coach. So let me just try to see, out of curiosity, if I was thinking that I want to use this as a bag charm. But obviously I think you can put this right here at the handle and you could just really tie it. You could just tie this one and the handle like this, and I think it would look, I'm not sure, I'm not really sure yet, but this is probably not meant to be used as a bag charm, but I wanted to use it as a bag charm. I think it's all right. It is so cute. I think it's all right just with as a bag charm. It is really nice. So you want to move it like that. I really think it is cute as a bag charm though. I might want to try to use this as a bag charm. It is so cute. You can use this one right here. You could actually put it here as well. Or I think it's cute just like that. Wow, I love it. So let me just try to use, let me just try to put this on the Alma Bb. So this Alma Bb, this is the newer material from Louis Vuitton. This is has a matte finish and I'm loving it. And I use it once in a while. So let me just put it like this. And I think this one retails for $150. I think this one is still available on the website. Oh wow, I kind of like it. I think this one looks cute in a bag though. If you are a bear, if you like teddy bears, I think this would look great though. I like the touch of this Tiffany Blue, but it seems like there is a difference between the paws, this color right here, and also with the Tiffany Blue ribbon. So this one is a little bit like the color is lighter and then this one is darker. So there's actually a difference between those two colors. This one is more vivid. It's vibrant compared to this one right here. So this one, yeah, this one has the dust bag. It's actually like similar color compared to the ribbon. So that is the difference. So I think it is cute. If you wanted to use this as a bag charm, I think it would work. I wouldn't mind you wearing it like that. Oh, this is at the back. I used this the other day and I just put the charm. And I think it's cute like that. The bear is so cute. I can't get over how cute it is. So they have this in the store a lot. And it's so cute. It is so cute. So let me just use. So this is my cash and carry. And I put a ribbon in it. I know it's this is a twilly from Hermes. I like the contrast with the twilly. So let me just try to put this in here. So I think this would work with any purse though. I mean, this is just a little bit of like, just to give you an idea of how this bear would look. Oh, the bear is so cute, guys. Very, very cute. Wow. And this one actually moves. It could sit like that if you wanted to keep him straight. Just like that. Or, yeah. Yeah, this is just not like an ornament for the Christmas tree, or it could be anything. But I think this would work as a bag charm. And I think Louis Vuitton is going to release a teddy bear. And I believe that the Tiffany is the bear, the teddy bear for Tiffany is so much cuter than Louis Vuitton. Just like Louis Vuitton is extremely overpriced though. They also come, this one also comes in a larger sizes as well. I think less than $500. But you could actually tell the quality of this bear. It's made of really high quality materials because you could see, you could feel it. Really nice. It is so cute. I think this would work perfectly in any of your purses. And yeah, I don't really mind wearing this with as a charm. It is so cute, I must admit. It is really, really cute. Wow. Very cute. So this is $150. It's a little bit pricey though as a charm, but looking at it with the quality, I think it was worth it, because I know that some of those fashion houses right there, as soon as they release something, sometimes some of those charms are extremely way overpriced. And I know that I have purchased several charms from other fashion houses out there, and right now they're at least like $600 to $700. And well, it is just a charm, you know, and the price is just ridiculously overpriced. But with this one right here, I think this would work as a charm. I keep repeating myself, this work as a charm, because this was originally as a ornament though, where you could actually put it in your tree. They put this one in the Christmas trees. They put a lot of these because I really thought it was just exclusive for that. But looking at it right now, it seems that it looks great. It looks perfect on my purses, and I love teddy bears. Really nice. Oh my gosh, this one is really cute, I must say. Very cute. I would, if you wanted to get this, you will love it. I mean, you will definitely gonna love it. I am loving it right now. It is really nice. It is so cute. Yeah, it's a charm. The eyes are so sharp. It looks lively though. So anyway, this is my Tiffany unboxing, and I hope you guys like my videos. So please give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel for more videos. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.